In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Microsoft Outlook app. So first of all, open the Microsoft Outlook application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Microsoft Outlook application has been opened. If you do not have the account yet, tap on this option, create new account, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. If you want to log into your account, tap on this option, add account. Now after you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. You can either log in with your email or you can also add the Google account if you want. So simply tap on the method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Enter the email associated with your account over here. After you do that, tap on this option, continue. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be led to this interface if you enter the Gmail account. So what you have to do is tap on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you log in Microsoft Outlook app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.